Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl, your fave, FaceTime with Mallie. We are back at it again with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the watercolor method. So I'm going to be dyeing this hair burgundy, right? I got my dyes from Kiss. I got red velvet and intense red. I know I want the roots to be a bit darker. That's why I'm got my reds here. So that's what we're doing today in this video. If this is your first time coming on my channel, seeing my page, whatever the case may be, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and you are joining the family. Give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you're turning on my post notifications if you haven't already, so that you can always be notified whenever I have a new upload. Let's get right into this video. So I have 3 bottles in total, but I'm just gonna see how it looks and then go from there. So I have intense reds and I have red velvet. This is the wig right here. It is a full lace wig, Malibu hair. You already know the dealio. Okay, 22 inches. I don't remember if it's a straight or body wave. So but I'm gonna go with body wave. I think this is body wave, but we'll see. So yeah, this is the hair, 22 inches. The density, I don't even remember. Probably 150. For some reason, this hair dye was mad chunky, so you're gonna see me struggling a lot trying to get this dye out. I don't know why. It was so clumpy and like, I don't know. Like usually like it's supposed to be like super smooth, and yeah, I don't know what happened. So yeah. Okay, so to clear up any confusion at this part, I dumped the old water that had the other dye, and then I got new water so that the colors wouldn't mix or anything, because I wanted the roots darker. So yeah. Okay, I just want you guys to see, like, look how instantly it got darker and, like, to the shade that I wanted. Like, I was just so happy. Like, okay, so this is how the wig looks. I don't know if you can really see it. This is how it came out. Do y'all see that? Oh my god. It smells so good. I don't know, like, if that's just Kiss, but Kiss, their dyes smell delicious. Like, I'm not even kidding. It smells so good. Their hair dye. But yeah, so this is a color right now. She's looking all nice and cute. And burgundy. So I'm gonna flat iron her and style her, and yeah. Ugly. All right, guys, this is the end look. How does it look? You know, drop it in the comments below if you like it. If you hate it, I don't really care because I like it. So that's that on that. If this is your first time coming on my channel, seeing my face, welcome to the family. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You're giving this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you're turning on my post notifications so that you can always be notified whenever I have a new upload. This color is amazing. It's just hello. Everything that I've used will be in the description box below. So this is based on Malii signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next video.